Only a genius can answer these riddles. A man describes his daughters, saying, "They are all blonde, but two, all brunette but two, and all red-headed but two." How many daughters does he have? Three. A blonde, a brunette and a redhead. If there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many apples do you have? You have 2 apples. A girl has as many brothers as sisters, but each brother has only half as many brothers as sisters. How many brothers and sisters are there in the family? Four sisters and 3 brothers. 2 in a corner, 1 in a room, 0 in a house, but 1 in a shelter. What is it? The letter R. What 4-letter word can be written forward, backward or upside down, and can still be read from left to right? Noon. What is 3 by 7 chicken, 2 by 3 cat and 2 by 4 goat? Chicago. I am a word of letters 3. Add 2 and fewer there will be. What word am I? Few.